here we are. I'm going to show you guys just a quick little technique you might be interested in checking out. You may not be. It's up to you. But using these little distressing stencils, you can get some pretty interesting techniques and textures on here. You can see some of these really light whispers, and that's not done by going like this. I'm actually doing them all simultaneously by simply spraying through this and moving it up at the same time. So you actually get a series of lines on this, and it gets a really kind of cool technique that can build up some really nice textural effects in the underpainting, setting up for some of the stuff in the future. So including some stuff that you might just hit it with that there, but I like to take this and just kind of find a different pattern. And get some really nice wispy effects with that. And I think you'll find it's really simple to do. One thing you don't want to do is get your stencil so loaded up with material that it starts leaving white marks, or whatever color you're using. In this particular case, I'm using this lighter value, so I'm going to use a lot of that up here. And you can kind of see what the effect is. On the Chatterer. So I'll have all the white probably done on this here in the next hour, a lighter color, and then I'll move on and I'll do some more stuff with you guys, let you check it out as it's coming along.